ago. Amanfre ago. Mempre kasa. Nyese mano ate kasa nso mesre me kasa. Asembi abo mi pusa ama me na mana mi bisa kasa te se akasa. Nti adasa. Munye aso na muntie me kasa. It is you I greet. My message puts me to my feet, so don't bother to offer me a seat. I've been at his feet. He shared a message so sweet, so to you I tweet. Once has he spoken, but twice I heard and repeat. I'm not a cheat, so to you I tweet. Shout it everywhere in the street. Let these words be your daily meat that you eat. Then he promises you a crown in heaven when we meet. Once upon a time. And the church will say, time. Once upon a time.
Time.
We were born in crime. Our souls were covered in grime. Our sins couldn't mime, they audibly chimed. Our lives tasted lime. We were hopeless and useless to the prime. In holiness, we couldn't reach our utmost sublime. We were in debt, but we couldn't pay a dime.
We were filthy and guilty. We never looked worthy. Our lives were never worthy. Lacking the ability for integrity, but having the impunity for audacity.
The field of righteousness experienced infertility. The enormity of acidity in humanity put our identity in deformity. To the pattern of society, we were in all conformity. There was clarity of disparity, inequality with divinity. But we needed to be in all uniformity with the life of our heavenly paternity. But where was our dexterity for purity? For pleasure of no treasure, people traded their virginity. Sex was even for charity. Chastity was never a priority. Building mansions, clothed in an expensive fashion, was considered a prosperity.
All was not well. We were under sin's spell. Every day we waited for death to ring its bell, to see the next person's soul raise out of this fleshy shell, too much straight to dwell in hell. But then there came Emmanuel.
Obadie, onona ofre adie, enwene adie ye adie. Obadie ni obodie nyina abodie nso obadie enye abodie. Ono ni ahyase ni awieye nso obi nim na ahyase nim na awieye. Obrempon nyankopon de oso na okro efre no twedi ampon. Onyame doba kro a oja na henwa wosoro. Ono na nanka abofo pimpim etwa ne ho ahia so asrafo ete ne so atia tietia no tiatia no piepia no tia no pantesu emu dududu te sa no pa bosu ogu ne so oso aye nkonua sekehire etwa ne chimpre maniti mfifire ototorobo nsu de obo nsu oto nsu na sukom de no na adasamani bobensa. It was at Calvary's hill. It was there they did the kill. Skillfully like torture was their skill. Brutally disfigured that he couldn't be figured like a corn through the mill. Through his palms and feet, nails were grilled and drilled. But he swallowed this bitter pill, all because to fulfill the Father's will.
Oh, an amazing grace, he died in our place. In an unimaginable disgrace, changed our awful state, that we may bear his traits, to be in the likeness of the Lamb that was slain. So for me to live is Christ, and to die is gain.
Thank you.
Thank you.